Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa with Rich Testa Real Estate. Welcome to 57 Genesee Street in Avon. What a great investment opportunity. So let's take a tour. This commercial building is fully occupied with a great return on investment, featuring a storefront great for any growing business with ample parking.
My name is Anna Prouty and I own Geek Chic Floral Boutique. I create floral bouquets out of wood flowers. The gift shop itself showcases over 95 small businesses. There's definitely some really cool finds in here. Genesee Street, it's just a great street to be on. The store is perfect. I love that I can have my workshop in the back. It was originally a bakery, but I think I make it work pretty well.
In addition, this commercial property includes 5 spacious apartments, 3 of which have direct street access, plus 2 with rear building access, all with available parking for tenants and guests. The Village of Avon has a lot to offer. Steps away is a beautiful park area in the center of town, all with easy access to Rochester and Western New York, creating a demand for full occupancy. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of this very special investment property at 57 Genesee Street in Avon from Rich Testa Real Estate. Cheers to doing business here.